creepy but cool beastly bugs. Insect or bug or both. Scientists put living things into 6 groups called kingdoms. The 6 kingdoms: Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, Protista, fungi, plants, animals. Each kingdom is separated into smaller and smaller groups. Animal kingdom: arthropods, animals without backbones. Other animal groups: arachnids, spiders, scorpions, insects. This chart shows just a few of the groups in the animal kingdom. Insects are grouped together because they have 6 legs, an exoskeleton, and 2 antennae. Antennae. Creepy or cool. About 300 million years ago, there were dragonfly-like insects that had wingspans measuring almost 3 feet, 1 meter. Meganeura was a kind of insect that looked a lot like a giant dragonfly. Some were the size of a large hawk. Bug is a word people often use for insect, but scientists say only some insects can be called bugs. The difference is in the mouth parts. Creepy or cool. Many insects and all true bugs have a special mouth part called a proboscis. True bugs use this to stab food and suck the juices. True bugs cannot roll up their proboscises. Other insects can. A butterfly can roll up its proboscis. Proboscis. A true bug cannot roll up its proboscis. Proboscis. Assassin bugs. There are many kinds of assassin bugs. All are predators that feed on other insects, spiders, millipedes, and sometimes humans. Assassin bugs are skilled hunters. Creepy or cool. The masked hunter bug covers itself in dust or lint. This camouflage helps it hide from other predators or prey. Wheelbug saliva paralyzes prey and turns its prey's insides into a runny soup. Soupy insides are easier to suck up. A wheelbug uses its proboscis to inject paralyzing saliva. Kissing bugs bite animals and people and suck their blood. Creepy or cool. We call them kissing bugs because they bite their victims' faces around the mouth and eyes. Bugs that smell really bad. Brown marmorated stink bug. When threatened, stink bugs give off a stinky smell to defend themselves. Creepy or cool. Stink bugs have special body parts on the underside of their thorax. These body parts produce the bad smells that scare away predators. As well as using bad smells, some stink bugs have other ways to defend themselves. A green stink bug can stay hidden on a green leaf. The harlequin bug's bright colors warn predators to stay away. Creepy or cool. The peanut head bug has large false eyes on its hind wings to scare away predators. Skaters, swimmers, and giants. Many true bugs live in ponds, rivers, and streams. These bugs move around in different ways. Water striders, also known as pond skaters, have hairs on their feet that allow them to stand on or skate across the water's surface. Creepy or cool. Unlike real scorpions, a water scorpion uses its tail like a snorkel, not a weapon. Water scorpions use their rear legs like oars to move through the water. Giant water bugs can grow up to 6 inches, 15.25 centimeters long. They feed on insects, fish, frogs, and crustaceans. Giant water bugs also have a snorkel-like body part. It allows them to breathe underwater while they dangle upside down. Creepy or cool? In some countries, people snack on giant water bugs. True bug life cycle. 1. Female bugs lay eggs. 2. Babies, called nymphs, hatch from the eggs. 3. The nymphs grow and will molt many times until they are full-grown adults. The newly hatched nymphs look much like their parents. Creepy quiz. Read each question and choose the correct answer. Find a sentence in the book that proves your answer. 1. Why does the masked hunter bug cover itself in dust or lint? A. Warmth. B. Camouflage. C. Decoration. 2. Why do stink bugs give off smelly odors? A. To attract predators. B. To defend themselves. C. To help them molt. 3. What are baby true bugs called? A. Nymphs. B. Eggs. C. Glands. Glossary. Camouflage. Cam-a-flage. Colors or patterns that help animals blend with their surroundings. Crustaceans. Crustaceans. Sea creatures that have exoskeletons, such as crabs, lobsters, and shrimp. Defend. Defend. To protect someone or something. Molt. Molt. To get rid of an outer covering. Many insects molt to get rid of a too small exoskeleton. Paralyzes. Is. Makes something or someone unable to move. Predators. Predators. Animals that hunt and eat other animals. Prey. Prey. Animals that are hunted and eaten by other animals. Proboscis. Proboscis. The tube-like mouth part that insects use for feeding. Snorkel. Snorkel. A tube swimmers can use to breathe underwater.